1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, price, $8,000, location, Georgetown, Texas. Step into a moment in time when American cars embodied both elegance and authority, with this stunning 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Built during an era that defined automotive craftsmanship, this personal luxury coupe is not just a vehicle, it's an unforgettable expression of style, power, and prestige. With its bold two-tone exterior, a powerful 390ci V8 engine, and a cabin full of thoughtful amenities, this Thunderbird is a head-turning classic that continues to command respect on the road and admiration at every car meet. Finished in a striking turquoise with a contrasting Wimbledon white top, this Thunderbird radiates vintage charisma from every angle. The turquoise paint is vibrant and full of life, complementing the graceful body lines and bold character of this full-size hardtop coupe. There are no signs of rust on the body, according to the seller, making this beauty all the more desirable for collectors and drivers alike. The glimmering chrome bumpers, a commanding hood scoop, and quad headlights all reinforce the Thunderbird's iconic look, one that has stood the test of time and still steals glances today. At the core of this machine lies a 390 cubic inch FE V8 engine, believed to be original to the car. With an output of 300 horsepower and 427 lb-ft of torque, this engine delivers a driving experience that is both smooth and thrilling. The engine breathes through a rebuilt 4-barrel carburetor and is paired to a recently rebuilt Cruise-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission. This drivetrain combination offers refined power delivery, allowing the driver to cruise in comfort or accelerate with commanding force when desired. Beyond its aesthetic and mechanical prowess, this Thunderbird comes with a documented history of meticulous care and upgrades. The current seller, who has owned the car since 2009, has invested in extensive maintenance and thoughtful restorations to preserve its legacy. Highlights include an oil and filter change, new valve cover gaskets, distributor cap, updated heater core, and a well-serviced air conditioning system. The suspension has also been completely overhauled with new inner and outer tie rod ends, idler arm, rear bushings, and reconditioned leaf springs, all contributing to a confident and composed ride quality. This vehicle's undercarriage reflects its attention to detail. With power brakes, a custom exhaust system, and recent undercoating, the Thunderbird offers both reliability and a deep, authoritative exhaust note that announces its presence without shouting. A newer master cylinder, power steering pump, and rebuilt steering gearbox ensure responsive handling, making it ready for both boulevard cruising and weekend escapes. Inside the cabin, the Thunderbird reveals a comfortable and charming interior finished in light blue cloth. The power-adjustable front seats invite both the driver and passenger to relax, while the swing-away steering wheel adds an extra layer of convenience and retro flair. Modern enhancements have been discreetly integrated, such as an auto-dimming rearview mirror with built-in compass and thermometer, power door locks, a retro-look radio, and high-quality custom auto-sound speakers. These additions ensure that you enjoy all the comforts of modern driving while surrounded by authentic mid-century luxury. Classic features like a padded instrument panel, magic air heater, air conditioning, clock, lap belts, and a console-mounted armrest showcase the Thunderbird's original focus on passenger comfort. The odometer currently shows 57,186 miles, though it is believed that the car has traveled 157,186 miles over its lifetime. The title reflects the mileage as exempt, which is common for vehicles of this age. Riding on 15-inch steel wheels with polished hubcaps and wrapped in white-wall Toyo Eclipse tires, this Thunderbird maintains a truly vintage stance. Although the tires carry a 2010 manufacture date and may need evaluation for extended use, their classic appearance perfectly suits the vehicle's timeless profile. The Thunderbird is being sold by a private party based in Georgetown, Texas, and comes with a clear title, a shop manual, an owner's manual, and a variety of spare parts, including uninstalled original wheel skirts. This is more than just a car. It is a connection to an era where craftsmanship mattered, where every line of sheet metal told a story, and where vehicles were designed with the driver in mind. Classic car enthusiasts will appreciate the integrity of this example. It's rare to find a 1964 Thunderbird in such thoughtfully preserved and upgraded condition. The fact that the air conditioning system has been recently serviced, the suspension components renewed, and the original character maintained makes it an even more attractive candidate for anyone seeking a reliable weekend cruiser or a show-ready legend. Yes, there are known imperfections, notably, surface rust on some hardware in the engine bay, but for a vehicle of this vintage, that's hardly surprising. In fact, it only adds to its authenticity. Many collectors consider such patina a badge of honor, proof that the car has lived a life while still standing strong. Whether you're a seasoned collector, a classic car aficionado, or someone who's just now falling in love with vintage American iron, this 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe offers something few cars can: presence. From the roar of its V8 to the elegance of its turquoise and white paint scheme, this is a vehicle that defines classic in the truest sense of the word. It is not just a car, it is a statement. A tribute to the past, ready to glide into the future with a new owner who appreciates what it means to drive a legend. Do not miss your chance to own a rolling piece of history. This Thunderbird isn't just special, it's unforgettable.